Hi, I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and today I'm sharing a complete music lesson activity on beat and rhythm for St. Patrick's Day. I put together a set of activities that I think you can use for a complete music lesson in your class or even at home. I'm hoping you'll let me know if this idea works for you in the comments below, and it would be awesome for you to share your favorite St. Patrick's music activity with all of us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll find that all the materials that I'm using are going to be found in either the Sing, Play, Create free resource library, TPT store, and all the videos are going to be available on the Sing, Play, Create Kids Music channel. All the songs can be found on Sing, Play, Create, Spotify, Amazon Music, and Apple Music, your favorite music channels. I'm hoping that I've made it easy enough for you to just turn this on and use it right away in your classroom. Most of all, I'm hoping that your students have a lot of fun with these St. Patrick's Day beat and rhythm activities. Let's get started. The activities that I've chosen to put together in a music lesson are going to help students learn the music concepts of beat and rhythm. And the rhythms are quarter notes and eighth notes and quarter rest. We're also going to help them experience Irish culture through music and singing a song and doing some movement activities to the Irish music. The activities also include a vocal warm-up where we're going to show high and low with our voices, and of course we're going to play some instruments in the activity. Be sure to watch this other video that has the song 1, 2, 3 O'Leary. There's 3 parts where I do things with scarves, beanbags, balls, and the 1, 2, 3 O'Leary Irish Scottish game that you can play with your students. Here's the lesson. Can you skip around to the leprechaun beat? The leprechaun beat, the leprechaun beat. Can you skip around to the leprechaun beat on St. Paddy's Day? Can you clap your hands? There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. Along came the wind and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He went fishing with a pin again. Caught a fish but dropped it in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He kicked up an awful din again, because they said he must not sing again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He emptied out his potato bin again and had to spend all his tin again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Climbed a tree and barked his shin again. He lost about a yard of skin again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Ran a race and tried to win again. Got so puffed that he had to go in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Ate his dinner from a tin again. Was so good he ate some more again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He was so clumsy, banged his shin again, shouted loud, oh what a din again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Heard this song and began to sing again. Hurt my ears, so don't begin again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew fat and then grew thin again. Then he died and had to begin again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to share some of the Sing, Play, Create St. Patrick's Day activities and some previews with you here of some of the most favorite and popular ones that I have found over the years. Work with the children and they just love them. So let's watch a couple of these previews. And catch me, oh who will catch the leprechaun? Oh, the leprechaun is dancing free around the rainbow. Let's see if we can catch him. Let's see if we can catch him. Let's see if we can catch him underneath the rainbow. Don't forget to check the description for all the links and the activity ideas that you can use in your music class today. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.